Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Groupon application on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Open your App Store. To get started, go to the search box and type in Groupon and search. Once you find the Groupon e-commerce application displayed on the screen, tap on the Get button. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iOS device. Groupon is an American global e-commerce marketplace connecting subscribers with local merchants, which offers activities, travels, goods, and services in 13 countries. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap the Open button to launch Open Groupon on your mobile device. Sign into your existing account or simply create a new account and get started with Groupon. That is how you can easily download Groupon application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.